Ebusama ma wakwa by found Braga and asɛm TV GH. Message like, comment, subscribing, turn your notification also so that anytime I post a video, bit say we are Usambe Kebi. Nana Yaa Jantuah. You have a missed call. Ellen Daako has left a message behind for you, and I think say a very important message that you yourself might want to listen to. According to sources, say there, say a Juma we or a Flagstaff household to be collecting people's bags. Say obi bajuma na jana ko jini pan bag. Oh mami o dende, mami akwabo obi aboko, we di ebusianu obi ahun ye die. Mi o den you mami we bue. I hear that is your work now at the presidency. Nyemi na miko Ellen Daako neka. Enti me ni lawyers ka ukochi obi a. You know Ellen's house. You have been meeting her on TV shows. But you see, look, Obi Bia occupy public office biano. You must have a tough skin. Professor Buzia make a statement be. Or say, if you want to be a politician or a public office holder in this part of the world, Ghana, no, you must be able to stomach a lot of nonsense. And yenka say, ebia, asɛm a na say allegations are already here. Ewo ikosi saying last week. Nukrempua. Because you are a public office holder who is being catered for with the taxpayers' money, our taxes, you had no right absolutely, to react in the manner in which you reacted. Nana Yaa Jantuah. That is the truth. If citizens who are paying your salary are angry about something, a demonstration, and when they get to the presidency, they are expecting the chief of staff or the vice president or the president himself to do them the honors and show up and listen to grievances. And they send you a third tier appointee. Now I'm going to say n0body. Now we are somebody. Tell me somebody. And all that rant say, we go there, papa cry a lawyer, and now we are free busian bimu. Na say free busian bimu now papa ye lawyer now was car den appointment a oji and uji the. Why then are you still working in public office? You should be traveling from the Caribbeans to Asia, from Asia to Oceania, from Oceania to Zanzibar, and be chilling. But so long as you are still a public servant in public service, and you have not come out to tell us, say, you are donating your salary to the state in Kwandia. Charlie, save our ears from hearing that. I almost used the word, but for today I'll spare you that. Hey. And you see, it's been almost a week. She has not come out to apologize. She has not come out to retract. And she has not even shown any sign of remorse or wanting to resign. A country be to say, let me not even mention the West cry to make it look like it's something wonderful. Look, South Africa here, you will have been asked to resign. In fact, you yourself will have resigned for not being emotionally intelligent. One trait of holding public office must be emotional intelligence. And yes, sir, you accept deals that should not be. You will go into contracts that should not be, because you are not maybe that day no sada na ukojume muno ebia ukuno eshe obufu enti. When you go to work, you don't even read through the contracts or anything, just be accepting anything anyhow.
I hope so be here.
That's why.
The first issue is that Nana Yaa Jantuah me. Some catch him some in the bed now. Now what you them? Obi a be call me page so me this account. I'm for suya Daako. Masi am na response ne.
Okay.
Me ni copy Friday. Nyame boa me am life for me ne na pon. Nana Yaa Jantuah mate say yes won nam. Say they say when I your official petition taker e Jubilee House.
Wow.
No dey any problem. No share. No explaining near me catch us say we a 30-year government official. No na chere we need dwuma bi di. Wo mate say Jubilee House one na won nam no Joyce ba wa bag na okura. Joyce ba now the speed no akwaje ne bag. Marita Brew ba now the speed. Last time say ukọ say akwaje grandma bag yes ya mfa ma because am a prat ne kuram. Enti wo ne hwe ye e wo Jubilee House ho. A whole former general secretary of a political party like the CPP. This is how low you have brought yourself. Auntie, Madam A, we can't pass your semi beka bi achro.
Easily.
Samrena na woman penyufo frɛ me ametwa so na atwa me penyufo no kora de aya wo na nyame. Enti ante na Yaa Jantuah me no gyinam. Wonni hweye. Wonni adwuma ye. And you are useless as everything to the government. Errand girl. You are totally useless. And it shows. Because who will be here at the seat of government now? Who now will see we top government official? Who let me a senior government official say? Senior government official Yashua Shomu. Ebi na mabrochire, ebi na me he president ntimi nkoha no ye. Said man as senior for ye. Who ni shi yenti. And I will to Jubilee House while did you for bag. It is also why you the petition now petition war Jubilee House yati ebesia babiom na we dia omo ba nyame mame nkwa metiase amena me the petition ni bebrɛw eya wo ba no ahye wo mefin wig no na odi aba ba beto me ma be mu ne ho ene na ya for the day.
Oba just say what away obeji we no obeji petition.
One man here who idi na me susu me ne Sandra deputy youth organizer yes so the official petition givers ye be abeto no ho ma me panyimu a mu ne ho me se me ni be yam wa copy Friday me ho tomia in fact Friday no kura du na me ho tomia me ni giram we will force her to talk sense.
Yes.
We will force her to make use of the so-called education. No, we will force her to make use of it. At 58 years, when Jimmy said, "Yeah, me who be that?" It's when you can't just wait, Jimmy, and will force you to behave.
Yes.
We are not saying question meffing week. What shall carry basa now the number? About them. Mali by tell us why then. Anyway, look what my problem. Mama need enough answer. Also, pay. Who cry yourself for saying? Charlatan, magician, Obusu Bempe. Oh, me, Felix, only me story me as for.
Of course.
Me tea me a pam ye free mashori, Ebusiama Munimno, Mesa Kabium. Me as dear for a me letter you made. Oh, me made 10 years near a few way. 10 years exactly. December 31st December 2026. It's exactly 10 years, sir. NDC, Mekani NDC, SDA for Seventh-day Adventist Church, throw me letter. You may defy assure them. Make sure when you tell you, Medi. Number one, yes, Medjawari. Kinyame Boa fee in November. Me did the 10th anniversary of my divorce. Me and Lende could throw divorce party because I was. Mama, my brother boss son, send now what a bonny bit and I'm a tias. Medjawari and SDA for the me. Matime who say that is the first one. The second reason why I prime minister, my man, Manoya. I shall them when I'm in your shop for me, I shall pay you for. This every be and see. And to my wife, somebody by nom say, Kaya, Baba, where see you, didn't ready. And to me, to wait. I saw for some many among come myself because me meaning so many I saw for them win yet. And to Felix, I saw for some by Minkabio. Now, so also been pay what back Kaya now, who see MPP for. Me MPP, eti mema response. Also ban pa me chairman abronya se ekuro down na ho. Enye me ehia nie ekuro na ewu. Ekuro no ewu. Enye ni ehia ni o. Ekuro na eda wo nan ho no. A che mana bro nya se ekuro down nan ho no. Me pa cho ye na mia. Adikuro ni igi na ni hu na hia. Na ye pipi fo de ye yo snow. Wontimi nkan ye yo papa. Wa sori na begu. Wa sori ni ebegu emma ye bu bintu ya no nsi wo so. Yeti wa ye politics din ye dwen ye ho. Asofo di omulemu ina ye nsu ye di ye lemu. Ba watimi abebo ye din dia na chesa odi yen. Anye na nsusu ye beto week amount. Meto week amount. Na obenu ho. Koshini papa penyimu a ummabra. O so be ampa wo yire num ya he. Wa ware mpra he. Me ma ware baako egu. Imfi adunie mi ware bi. Minim se mi nti bi ware nti. E na metim ba bi. Wonam hwai asofo wa ware mpra 9. Wa ware na ye den degu. Se wo se wo mu hui. We will go into your life, into your history. Yeah, politicians and yeah ade. Yeah, politicians ube kanya ya ba ufie ya ba hwehwe wachira kwan wona na nkanswa wona na nkansi omo wood 3rd and 4th generation 5th generation ya ba hwehwe wachira kwan the main in your family ya bebo akoshifu wa ufie ya bebo ni the way amumo jadi mu abedu hanti wa husu be mpa na boyi se bra ona nanu nyina ya akoshifu sawo omunya akoshifu sawo a enka osofu mu a wona abu hu so ya sofu vanyin. What to me dane wo dane wano. Hey, and papa dwen wo. Dwen wo. Boss road and you be starting the natamuntia. All along you be yen fino. Na ye be fino. Na sorry ne begu. Because ye be attack ni pe kwa na sorry. Wa wo kwa wo so be mpa sorry bia sebe wo ya kwasia.
Tempo.
Wo ya MPP ni a wo ya kwasia double. Wa Jimmy. Ka wo ya MPP ni na wo kwa wo so be mpa sorry a wo ya kwasia papa.
Serious one.
Na fe omo aka no the general public ni ya so ya kwasiafo. Obi akwa wo so be mpa sorry bia wo ya kwasia.
Simple cry. Simple.
Let's move into aso.
Precisely. I'm the Ghana.
Yes. Unim say Rollins be go won. Na hotel rented a house.
Oh how? Rented house.
Onza me guy obi a ni han. Obi ani han ehwebe.
Ni fie wo yi me ko hoda de wo rage hui. E na mate se ba ko bi so ajenga no se de enti rented house no maybe
ajirga no.
Mate ananya no kre. Sana ya tete de enti area ho kre say Rollins area honum ya tete bia
ajirga no fie no
utwem ya say fie
oba panyin ene si fie no
na yire
yes e de ohwa me fa se ne ma no ndi papa no fie bia dim enti se ne aminu akuma ebo ni tinko na ni fie Rollins ni fie bia ho edu ba bia na sa nkyeremu ama obetini ye de niam bi e hye nipa me say me ni Dr. Dufo na nam sisia every Monday biana only no na eko for breakfast. Ma menchiro fi na Rollins team. Unim Westland.
And a Westland.
Westland.
Minimum.
Unimo.
Yes.
O call a senkra no metro. O free Gimpa. Awa go call as na asio na aka krabi no wodru Brainy Bain school unim say school
Brainy Bain yes
udru Brainy Bain school na ma say Samson fo abeye ayibi wo
just after school no obehu
place be unru school no krasa wo ko ni say unru school
okay
say Samson fo abeye ebie store bi wo sa right o kwa
okay
before sa street na
furniture bi were left wo ba bi me ref ni me nya di na ka be kai pa ase wu sane kakra wu free your friend is
no o tra en wo kra furniture na say wu free wa na ko presby asonda
yes
obefo
okay
atra filling station no
filling station
very good
yes.
o tra filling station na ko wani ma first turn on your right
okay
ona
na Jerry wo
then be ewo ho o turn right o san turn right be yellow house kitwa bi e she right ho na no wote
yellow house kitwa
me say one not
no rent
you see me pese me cancel bebre na dakro bomodi anabra your office na bibisa Dr. Dufo said ye me kai se me boa ana say ya sempa na ho anzo na orenti sa fi de man me say ha ye kwan enti se woni sa nipa we ni mo enam a esi san na usu watimi enya bibi mi ankasa me no kase me ka kwaya me fa so a me fie ya metimi si ya ebe ye onwa ba die kan